I think you love me. Come on, stream, let's work. We could work from home. And we back. Clay, can I only join the alerts if I deposit 1,000 to the account? Yeah, minimum is 750 to join the alerts. Yeah, baby, we up 300%. Check this out, guys. I put $30,000 into my account this week. Okay, 30,000 into 113K. That's like a 4x almost right now. So, but here's the thing, right? Let's go back to risk management, guys. It's not just about the money you make. It's about what do you do once you make the money, and what do you do, you know, because look, here's the thing, right? So if I just made 400%, right? But if I go lose 70%, I lose all that money. Does it make sense? It's not fair that I could go make 400% and lose it all on a 70% loss. So you need to understand that your gains are not the same as your losses, because you can go make 400% and lose it on a 70% trade. Okay, so you need to understand how to manage your risk after wins. This is the number one thing I see people do, is once you do hit a home run, once you do hit a good trade, a lot of you guys go mess it up and you go blow up your money, even though your winning trades actually exceeded your bad trades, but because you don't know how to position correctly, you end up giving your money back on your losers so fast. Okay, and this is why, you know, people, you know, they have small winners and big losers, and then if you have a big winner, you also have big losers, you know. So okay, how low can we go so I can get in a long? Can everyone hear me? I hope everyone can hear me. And there's nothing bearish about this, guys. There's nothing bearish about it. And that's the sad part, is everyone is so conditioned to being a bear right now, because look at the Amazon chart. Every single week for the last 5 months has been red week pretty much. So everyone's just so used to, every time there's a green candle, short. You never think the bounce is going to last. No one thinks any pump is going to last, because you're so used to them not lasting. So when the market does shift, when the market does reverse, you close out early. You're not ready for it, you know? So like I told you guys, I wouldn't short at 1,400 personally, maybe for a scalp short. Okay, but I told you guys where I would really short Ethereum. My God short for Ethereum, I said in the last live stream, which was like 2 hours ago, that I closed that stream, would be right here. Okay, this is the God short. If you really want to short the market, wait for this. In my opinion, it doesn't mean we'll get there, but if we do, boom. Okay, see this trend line. See, everyone's shorting this trend line right here. I think everyone wants to short here at 1,400. Okay, once again, people don't realize, guys, this is like the first green week in forever, like where the market's truly bouncing. Okay, so everyone's going to short early, in my opinion. So, in my opinion, you want to wait for 1,700 to short Ethereum right above that level, bear trap or bull trap right above that level. So everyone's going to short here. Everyone's going to take profits early. At least this is just my opinion. They're going to take profits right here, even though we're actually going to go higher. We could pull back, but you see, like, here's the funny thing is everyone's freaking out and everyone wants to take profit right now, right? Everyone is rushing to take profit. Okay, so for example, John Yusuf, I closed for profit. Look, one of the best traders in our Discord instantly takes profit. He says, taking profits. I'm scared about the CPI tomorrow. I might even open a short here, right? So everyone's so programmed to, as soon as they see the market goes up, they're like, okay, I got to take my profit. I got to get out, because everyone's so scared that the market's going to just drop right back down. When the truth is, once again, we've been going down for half a year now with basically no bounces. And so everyone's just programmed to, oh my God, it's a green candle. Let me short. Oh my God, it's a green candle. Let me get out. I got to take profit now. And so you guys realize that the market's not just going to go down in a straight line forever, you know? So everyone's being tricked right now. No, the Discord unfortunately is not free. You go to OpenSea. It's a little expensive to get in, sadly, because we only have 100 supply. It's super limited. We only allow 100 people in. Okay, someone listed for 3.5. That's actually the cheapest we've seen in a long time. So this is a good entry in. So we actually have 2 listed actually for below 10 Ethereum, which normally you don't see that. So that's good. So whoever wants to join, I know a couple of you guys have wanted to join, so this is as good as an entry as it gets, really. I hope we're not disconnected. Can everyone hear me? Do I think we can dip back down to 17,400? Maybe from the CPI. Basically, the goal is to long anything after the CPI. I mean, here's where I would be wrong, right? Is if Bitcoin breaks below 16,800 again, that's when I'm wrong. As long as we're above 16,800, it's bullish. And right now, look at the 4-hour. Right, you had bearish divergence, and now you don't have any bearish divergence. It's back bullish. But see, everyone's taking profit right now, right? But the next resistance, I would say, is not till 18,100, you know? So everyone's rushing and panicking to take profit because everyone's scared that the market's going to dump back down on them. Even stocks bottom 6 months ahead of recession. What makes y'all think that a riskier asset like BTC and crypto doesn't bottom 9 months or even 1 year before macro goes to shit? Riskier volatile assets move faster and bottom faster. Yeah, I mean, that's what I've been saying overall. Is all this shit is so priced in. Everyone's saying the economy is getting worse. Now, look, I'm not saying it can't get worse. And overall, okay, look, guys, when will I get bearish again? Okay, the key is we're not going to take out the lows today. We're not going to take them out this week. Okay, so the time I would get bearish is at 1680 Ethereum, and if DXY gets to 101. Okay, this is, if I'm going to get bearish, I want to see 3 things. Okay, I want to see DXY come to support at 101. I want to see Ethereum come to 1680. And I want to see the S&P, okay, downtrend line that everyone is looking at. Okay, so for example, literally everyone is looking at this downtrend line. Everyone, okay, even your grandmother is shorting from her retirement account, is shorting the market on this downtrend. And so once we break out of this downtrend, people will start to think, oh my God, is the bear market over? Is everything priced in again? Is everything priced in? Are we bullish now? And so once we break out of this downtrend, and all your fucking dorks that you follow are like, we have a confirmed downtrend, a breakout. You see, we broke out and we retested the resistance as support, which means we're bullish now. Okay, as soon as everyone says that, bro, that's when I'm fucking shorting, okay? Short the shit out of this, okay? And all your fucking geeky pieces of shit that you follow, they're like, we broke out and tested as support. That's when I short the fucking shit out of that, you know? Not right now. Short once everyone's saying, you know, we've confirmed breakout. I think everything's priced in. Woo! Next 3 days are going to be down 100K Bitcoin. Can't hear me. Fuck. This sucks, dude. If the stream breaks again, then I'm not turning it back on. So yeah, I'm only getting bearish if we break out above this downtrend line that everyone thinks is resistance. So that's my plan. Okay, good. Glad everyone can hear me. So yeah, realistically, guys, if you want to take profit, first level to take profit is 18.1. Okay, but you need to realize we've tested 18.1 one time, 2 times, and this will be the 3rd time. So yes, can we pull back from 18.1? Yes, but I think overall we're going to break out past 18.1 Okay. So, dude, there's nothing bearish about this, man. Everyone's so bearish. It's insane. I think you love me. Mickey, is that you? Yeah, dude, I got Mickey inside of me. Dude, like, do you understand how short of the top at 69K, now I long the bottom at 16K. I want to thank myself for my unprecedented predictive abilities. I also want to say thank you to all the fools at 69K and 16K who had to be wrong so that I could be right. This wouldn't be possible without you. Nobody else is coming out and saying shit like that ahead of time. Everyone else, they say it after the fact. No one puts themselves on the line like this, you know, and it pisses me off. Does Capo of Crypto, does he ever show his trades? No. Also, do you guys see what Conor McGregor liked on I don't know if it's still there. Oh, looks like he unliked it. That was funny. Conor McGregor liked this let's not even talk about it. It was not good. I think you love me. Dude, feels good. Get a good pump finally, bro. I've been waiting for this. I've been calling for this. And you know how many people are talking shit to me? Look at this, up 700%. Let's go, baby. Guys, BitGet really is the best trading platform. At least for the stop loss fills. BitGet has the best stop loss fills for me. Dude, it just gave me so much confidence when everyone was shitting on me for being bullish. It just gives me the extra confidence. It's great. 4.65 Bitcoin, guys. 4.65. $83,000 profit. Alex, a question. I'm new to shorting and longing. What can I expect to make with $1,000 on a good profitable trade? So it depends. Are you going all in with $1,000? Okay, because if you go all in with $1,000, you make 300%. You triple your money or quadruple it, right? But if you're risk managing $1,000 and that's the only $1,000 you have, then you're gonna make less, right? So it just depends. Like I said, guys, the most important thing, if there's one thing that you guys can get from this live stream that I want to help you guys with, is that, you know, everyone at some point is gonna make money. Okay, even an idiot makes money in a bull market. And even some idiots make money shorting a bear market. So everyone, no matter how bad you are, you're going to make money at some point, okay? Because if you're a perma-bull, you're going to make money at some point. If you're a perma-bear, you're going to short and you're going to make money at some point, right? So everyone makes money at some points. What you do when you do make money. And, you know, once again, I started my account this week. I put $30,000 in it. Does that mean I'm going to trade with $100K in my account next week? No. I'm going to reset my trading account back down to $30,000, $20,000, or $10,000. And this is the key in my opinion. Because if you make 400% gain, you lose it all on a 70% loss. Which, how does that even add up? How does that even make sense, right? You just did a 400% trade and you lose it all on a 70% trade. So it's completely rigged if you don't understand how to position and how to not let the market take advantage of you, which is what happens to most people. Is you see your portfolio hit all-time highs, but then you lose 50% of your portfolio. Okay, well, now that you lost 50% of your portfolio, you gave back like all your money basically. Dude, I've been telling you guys, I think we're going to 20K. The only thing is with the CPI now that we're pumping into the CPI. So this was the Fed meeting last time, right? Fed meeting, let's look at what happened last time. So Fed meeting, we run up into the Fed meeting, okay? And then Fed meeting starts, boom, we pump up. or no. Fed meeting starts, and I think it was just the top. Actually, it just went down from there. So this is the thing is I don't like it when things pump very hard going into meetings or catalysts, because a lot of times they're gonna dump it after the catalyst, which my whole plan was to buy the dip after CPI, which now, okay, if we dip, it's farther away from invalidation. Invalidation on our bull side is 16.8. If we break down to 16.8, we're wrong. Okay, so basically the closer you can long Bitcoin to 16.8, which is where we longed it, the better. So now if I long Bitcoin at 17.4, I'm very far away from my invalidation, which means I'll lose more money if I'm wrong, probably. Well, not necessarily. It depends how much I risk on being wrong. But guys, look at this. Look at Ethereum, right? Let's pull up another chart of Ethereum. This is what I was telling you guys in the last stream. This is the Sam Bankman dump. Hey, see the Sam Bankman dump? And this was our only resistance left right here. We broke this resistance now. See, we broke that resistance. And now there's no resistance above because it's just a Sam Bankman collapse. There's nothing there. So, you know, it's very bullish, dude. I should probably take a little bit of profit. But just to me, okay, there's going to be pullbacks, right? But I still believe it's inevitable we're going to get to 20K. So, for example, take this trend line, draw it out. You have these triple top right there, okay, at 18.1. We pull back. All right, let's say we pull back down to 17.4. Dude, it's still bullish, okay? To me, $20,000 Bitcoin is inevitable here. Okay, because look. Boom. Yeah, literally 20,000 is what I think we're going to get to. The thing is, once again, don't be surprised when we pull back. We've now went, since I told you to buy and get in, we're up 10% now. So don't be surprised if you pump 10% and then you pull back 4% or 3% and then you continue higher, right? So don't be surprised. Advice for long-term holders is buy stuff that you know is undervalued like crazy. Like Litecoin is $84. You know that's a $1,000 coin. Monero is $168. You know that this is a $3,500+ coin. So it's like you're exchanging an $80 bill for a $1,000 bill. You're exchanging a $168 bill for a $3,500 bill. It's like then it's not even hard to hold it, right? Because you're literally just trading in a $100 bill for a $3,500 bill. Who's not taking that? You know? So it's very easy to hold things that you really like and things that you truly believe are incredibly undervalued, especially when the technical analysis lines up with it, like Monero, right? Like I've been talking about, the cup and handle in Monero, which is going to take us to 3,500, 1,000 plus, right? Look at this. It's a 5-year cup and handle, okay? 5-year cup and handle. A 3-year bull flag. And people are bearish. Yeah. Let's be bearish on Monero and say it's going to go to $100 when it's literally staring at $3,500 in the face right now. You know, this is what just doesn't make sense. People, why are people so bearish? You got a coin that's worth $3,500 plus. You got Litecoin, which is worth $1,000. Okay, just because the price doesn't say $1,000 doesn't mean it's not worth $1,000. Litecoin is worth $1,000. Monero is worth $3,500. The market's just stupid. So take advantage of that. It's so easy. Like when Litecoin hits $1,300, you're literally trading in $84 bills for $1,300 in the future. You're trading in 8 Subway sandwiches. Actually, no, footlong's like $6, right? Okay, you're trading in six Chipotle burritos for a whole lot more Chipotle burritos, like a ridiculous amount. You're getting 100 burritos here, right? If a burrito's $13, this is 100 burritos. One Litecoin equals 100 burritos. But today, one Litecoin equals 6 burritos. You get a trade in, okay, 6 burritos for 100 burritos. Is that not convincing enough? You know, it's very simple to me. Of buying something that the market is stupidly pricing, and everyone's trying to short this right here. It's like, bro, no, shit's going to $1,000 plus. But maybe it has to come down, and I hope it comes down so I can buy more and I can get a lot more. You know, 4.86 Bitcoin. $85,000 profit, guys. The first $100,000 trade of the year. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for the first $100,000 trade of 2023? We do it in the first month of the year. That's a good way to start the year, huh? Not a bad way. Oh, by the way, I think my YouTube video just posted, which it's a little outdated now. Oh, that's dope. Alright, guys, let me know if you have any questions. When do you think Bitcoin will hit 70K again? Not soon. Probably a couple years, few years. 2 to 3 years minimum. Because here's the thing, right? Remember how I was telling you guys, people are shorting right now. It's like shorting down here. And then people are longing right now. It's like longing down here where you don't think it's the bottom, or you can't be sure it's the bottom, but it easily could be. What's the point I'm trying to make? What was your question again? I don't even remember. What's your trading strategy based on? Mostly divergence, but also